The red-tailed black cockatoo birds. These birds are native to Australia and they mostly inhabit the eucalyptus woodlands and the drainage basins. The cockatoo birds are currently holding the record as the birds with the longest lifespan on Earth. They can live for up to 83 years and they are very noisy. Their flock is usually made up of 500 birds. The diet of the red-tailed cockatoo birds mostly comprises of seeds, fruits, berries, nectar, flowers, and insects. They can grow to a height of about 18 centimeters tall, weighing between 615 grams to 920 grams.